Huh? Okay, we're going to try putting you down and bringing you back up again so we can get a giggle out of you. Ready? Let's try one more time. You ready? Ready? Oh! No? No giggle today? No giggle? There's some serious trouble. Oh. You want to try it again? I just want to get that laugh. Okay, let's do that.